our craft is both operative and speculative. When I say this, I am meaning this. If we have any desire to have any utility, we must first fully understand, comprehend, and grasp the operative application of the speculative understanding of any operative working tool that we're working with. And then we must take that understanding and apply it to our daily lives. So let me go over this one more time. We have operative working tools, and we must have a speculative understanding of each and every one of them in order for us to be able to apply that working tool operatively in our lives. And that doesn't mean just inside the halls of a lodge room. It means outside in life and work, in play, in family, in society.